Hariom children, hope all are ready for today's class Food a Basic Need. In the last class we have discussed about different types of nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Today we will discuss about roughage, water, junk food and balanced diet. What else do we get from food apart from nutrients? We get roughage and water from the food, which is also very important for our body. Do you know what is roughage? It is also known as dietary fiber. It is a part of plant food which cannot be digested. How do roughage help us? It helps in the movement of food through the body. It helps to remove waste out of our body. Plant food mainly cereals like wheat, oats, brown rice, etc. Legumes like beans, peas, soya bean, peanuts, etc. Vegetables like carrot, tomato, cucumber, fruits like apple, oranges, strawberry, guava, etc. are rich in roughage. It is a skin of most fruits and vegetables which contains plenty of roughage. We know that all living things need water. Our body needs water for various functions like digestion, respiration, etc. This makes water a very important part of our diet. We have to drink plenty of water, especially during summer, because our body loses much water by sweating, breathing, etc. Many fruits and vegetables contain water. For example, watermelon, apple, orange, cucumber, tomato, etc. contains over 80% of water. Do you know which fruit has the highest content of water? Yes, it is the watermelon. In addition, we should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to stay healthy. Junk food. Do you know why is junk food bad for us?
Junk food. Do you like healthy food or do you like junk food? I like chips and I like salted fries, but healthy food makes you strong. Healthy food makes you fast. Junk food it makes you weak. Junk food makes you big and fat. Junk food it makes you soft. Junk food it makes you slow. Junk food makes me feel alive, but as the time goes by, I feel like I could cry.
Junk food contains too much of fats or sugar, which is bad for our body. It is low in nutrients. Examples of junk food are deep fried food items, carbonated drinks, candies and sweet and salted snacks. Balanced diet. First of all, what's a diet? The kind of food that we eat regularly is called a diet. And balanced diet, a diet which has food items from all the food groups and the right amount is called a balanced diet. That means to stay healthy and fit, it is important to have a balanced diet. A balanced diet includes all essential nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals in the correct amount. It should also include roughage and sufficient amount of water. Let's revise. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called roughage. It is important for our body. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Junk food contains too much of fat or sugar and are low in nutrients. A balanced diet consists of all the food groups in the right amount. Thank you.